What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cart Life TV. We got a special episode for you today. We're gonna be working on Joe's cart. He's pulling it in right now. We're gonna be doing a product review on a seat cover. So let's do it. I'm Mike.
I'm Joe.
And this is Cart Life TV. All right, guys, some friends from Amazon were kind enough to reach out and send us a seat cover to review for an EZGO TXT, which happens to be the same exact golf cart Joe drives back there. So let's check out what we got on the table today. All right, so at first glance, these are actually really, really well made. The material is super thick. It's got a padding in it, double stitched diamond finish, and nice contrast stitching on the sides. I think these are going to look great on your cart, man. It's going to match that back seat a lot better. Yeah. And they look super easy to install. So why don't we get to it? Let's do it. I think the first thing we need to do, because there's obviously no instructions in these boxes, is to fully remove the cushion from the seat and put it on the table over here. Next thing we're going to do, and Joe's already started this, is we're going to loosen the bolts that hold the rails on the sides of the seats. It's going to make it easier to squeeze the fabric between them. Not only is this a really high quality seat cover, it's super easy to install. It actually installs over the existing material and connects with 3 straps underneath. Make sure you line up the holes for the brackets that mount to the lower part of the seat. Once everything's lined up, you can go ahead and start to buckle it. Make sure you get the straps nice and tight for a snug fit, and then you're completely done. You could reinstall the seat. Now it's time to do the seat back. The seat back is just as easy as the bottom cushion. All you do is stretch it on the back of the seat and secure the 3 buckles included with the kit. Super simple, and this thing looks absolutely amazing. What a really cool seat cover. All right, so that's the install for the seat cover. Super, super easy to do. Awesome product from Amazon. We're gonna put the link in the description below. Make sure you check it out if you're looking for a really, really easy seat cover to install. That looks super custom. This thing looks like an $800 seat.
It's probably a 5-minute job, seriously.
5-minute job, transforms the cart completely. Awesome product, check it out below.